Hello and hi, my name is Valerie Bulan Boniface, metric number 176503, and I'm taking course list 2013 from Group 4. So, today I will make my reflection for our assignment for this week. So, what we do this week is we need to interview people on what they do after 5. So, for this interview, we have interviewed two persons. And why we do this? Because this is for the sake for the one we interview, and we don't want them to be uncomfortable when when all of us interview them at one time. So we want them to relax while answer our question. And we do this because we want to give chance to each of us. So at least each of us can ask at least two questions. And so we had done this interview at College City, and the one we interview is our senior. And also, of course, before we do this interview, we had asked the permission before we interview them in case they were busy that time. So what do I learn from this activity? And this activity had teach me to be more confident, especially in my speaking in English. And also, just like what my teacher said last time, confidence is very important, especially when to speak in English, because with confidence we can cover our mistakes. Besides, this also teach me to be more positive thinking and think to myself and tell to myself to be more tell to myself that I can do it. And also, this is very important in order to avoid my shyness, especially maybe after this we will need to interview more people, and maybe some of them are foreign students which that is good in English, so I need to improve my English. And also from the activity I had learned how to respect the other people is very important, especially the one that is older than us. And so in this interview we had interviewed our senior, it's like I said just now. So before we interview them, we must ask the permission first and ask them if they have time or not, because we must only interview them when they agree to, just not just ask them like that without ask the permission and suddenly. So it's very important to ask the permission first. And also that's what I say, we use senior, we must use our more appropriate word, how to call them, more appropriate language. And it's very important because they are older than us. And also the most very important thing I learned is how is teamwork. And in this group teamwork is very important, because in this activity a lot of teamwork has been we done. So we have made sure all of us has chance to speak and has chance to ask during the interview, and also has chance and we also make sure that everyone is involved, no one is scared. And also we also had divide ourselves, which one want to ask this question, this person want to ask one question. So it's very important teamwork. So that's why we do the interview, and nothing will disturb this. And also, so why do we choose this two person? That's what I said. Since they are senior, and also they are from different faculties, so we expect they maybe have some different activities they do than us. And besides, one of them also is a member of MTM students, so of course she maybe have slightly different activities other than us, which are ordinary students. So we want to know what they do, so maybe we can learn from them the benefit, the good activities they done, and use as our model in what we need to do in our leisure time, especially after we got back from our lecture. And so how do I feel for this interview? I think I'm quite satisfied with my group member, because everyone is show their determination to do this task very good. And also very thankful to the both of our seniors, since they are willing to spend their time for us to interview them, and also they are very supporting and answer our question very clear, and they satisfied question answer. And so how do I feel about myself? However, I think I still need to improve myself, because I think I still lack of confidence, and my speaking is still not quite good, especially during the interview, because I think I'm stuck sometimes. So I think I need to improve more my English. Maybe I can just use English in my speaking daily, so in order to improve this problem. So that's all I think for that's what I think for my reflection for this interview. So thank you for watching.